In this video, I'll show you how to open a NatWest bank account online. So just a quick heads up, for privacy and security reasons, I'll walk you up to the application steps but won't be able to show personal information being entered. So don't worry, I'll explain everything clearly. So first head over to the official website of NatWest website and always double check that you are on the real site. So look for the padlock icon near the web address. So to avoid scam, make sure it's official website like I said. So click this login button and wait for it to load up. So once it's load up, you will see here a form, a login form. So if you haven't yet created an account, you can open a account in here right up with the um NatWest. So just simply click the sign up here, and once you click on that, you will be requiring to input your personal details. But first, you'll need to settle this requirement first. So in here, you'll need to choose for what kind of customers you are. If you are going to create a personal business, mortgage, or credit card in here, so select whatever you want in here. And for example, I just choose the personal. So in here, you'll need to input your personal details and so on. So once you are complete with the details, just simply click the continue button and you'll be redirecting to a choices whether you are going to open a bank account or current account at the top menu. So you'll see a list account options in there, and then like everyday accounts, student accounts, or premier accounts. So after that, browse through the pick the account that suits your needs. So once you find the right one, just simply click the apply now. So assumingly we are in that progress. So now you'll be taken to the online application form, and then since this would involve entering personal details and to protect privacy, I'll explain the next step. So instead of showing them, and now in here, so here's what you'll need to do next. So yeah, you'll need to fill up your personal details like I said, and then provide your employment and income details, and then upload a proof of ID and a proof of address if asked. So common examples are a passport or driving license and utility bills, and then review your application carefully and then submit and wait for the confirmation. So quick heads up, so make sure your internet connection is stable, and also keep your documents ready before you start, and double check all your details to avoid delays. And that's it. So opening a NatWest account online in 2025 is super easy if you follow these steps. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.